So we managed to lift it a bit. It comes out as expected. Just pay attention to the linkages over there, the torsion bar for the linkage. Move it a bit to the left side, the right side if you're sitting in the car, and move the transaxle, transaxle, a bit like this. So to the left side of the engine, and then there's just enough clearance over here to go back on my little car lift. So yeah, looking pretty good, and it seems to move freely. And what I like to do now, it's in the middle of the way, is check another time with a good strong light, and check for oh look, the clutch engager, the little pump, it, the front piece fell off, so we'll have to address that. But everything seems free over here, no lines, no cables stressed. Everything else looks good. Feel for it. Yep. Wiggle things around. Everything is free, so we can continue. I'll use my extra lights. Up. Yep. Nice. Oh. It's nicely balanced on the little jack. Oh. How close is this? Nice. So this is the position to be in, apparently. We'll put the jack a little bit on that side next time. Ooh. This is a handy little jack from Draper. Bought it on eBay years ago. Can lift your whole engine if you want. Pretty strong. And there we go. It's down. Looks like we'll need to lift the car a bit more to get it out. But yeah, we could work like this. Doesn't matter. Actually, it's in a perfect spot to work on. We can change the clutch. I'll move it anyway. But seems like we're gonna have to address. Yeah, look, we have a little leakage over here, and the port number from Audi is on there, so I'm gonna swap out this little bad boy. And seems like the pump, wait, normally you can slip it off, slide it off. Well, I will have to remove the fork. But looks like the pump has been leaking a bit. So we'll have to swap out the little pump and look for a seal for transmission, and maybe an engine seal, but I don't think. There's a little grease spit from up there. We'll check it out when we take off the clutch. If you need to, take off the flywheel and press a new seal in. But yeah, if it's really in good shape and dry, I wouldn't touch it, because these ones are pretty good. And aftermarket, yeah, it's always unless you can find original, then of course present new seal, but it has to be a good one. All right, see you in the next one.